Hey guys, welcome back to my new video. In this video I will show how I set up my Budgies cage. Let's start from this box. This box contains some grass because Princess loves to play with grass and leaves. And this is the food they eat, and they eat some fruits and vegetables. This is mixed green. And this is a toy for her. And now the cake. I keep this one and food. Here is one swing. A rope. Budgies love to play with rope. And water with a bell inside. Big swing. And I have many toys. A ladder and something. So many toys. This are two medicines for them, for their health. Mavic. You want to see where my Budgies are now? See. Hello. Say hi. Pinchu. Come. Here he is. Go. So, bye.